Good morning everyone, it's Hanno from Kraken Gate. So we're out here at Turbo Drive for Cooperoo's Cars and Coffee meet for January 2022. So Happy New Year to everyone. You can see it's a bit drizzly, not many cars here yet, but we'll go and have a squiz and see what's turned out. Can't be Cars and Coffee without an R32 GTR. So this one's rocking the Plaza Man, front mount intercooler. It's like working motions. Besides that, looking pretty standard on the outside. This thing sounds pretty cool when it gets going. Pretty cool lineup, BMW H50i, Callaway TT, Audi R8 V10, Porsche Canon, and Ferrari Project in. Most people would assume Porsche Cayens aren't really distinct, but there's this one with the wheels. And it's even got side exhaust as well. Different. Yeah, that's pretty much it out at Cooperoo Cars and Coffee today. The wet weather seems to have held crowds back, despite the few dozen cars instead of the couple hundred. Yeah, but besides, still a good variety this morning. So, if you enjoy this video or like any others on Kraken Gate, show your support by clicking subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share the links, and leave a comment down below. So until then, thanks for watching. See you around. Cheers.